Oh, good morning, August 2. And the rain continues. Golly. That's the bread vendor. And he's late. She's almost 6 o'clock. Delayed our walk. I wasn't able to bicycle yesterday afternoon. The weather is just too bad. Hey, including my friend, the cowboy. Her walk we had the other day through the through that interesting portion by our lunch and off to the river and check out the conditions. Let's come back early and do our laundry. Yeah, my. Did some chores yesterday and I was so wet. Oh man. Despite the jackets and everything, the water seeped through. Everything was, well, you don't know whether you're wet from sweat or wet from the rain. That dog is gonna get, oh man. Good thing I walked farther yesterday since I wasn't able to bicycle in the afternoon. Okay. And I did my groceries before going home. Usually light traffic on the opposite side. Really cannot predict how it will be. I don't think it's a holiday, but there are some upcoming holidays August. Check out those clouds, going to get dark again. Oh yeah. Oh man. Looks like today will be the same as yesterday. For those people that's got large cars. So if somebody from abroad calls you and it's unidentified number, it would normally begin with a 0985 if you're using Smart. 0985. Maybe they're using some sort of discounted card and it connects to 0985. Not much we can do. Oh my, look at the queue to DSWD. Oh. Like there's a lot of visitors today. Actually, Manila is really the heart and the brain of the Philippines. Everything is practically concentrated here. That also includes power and practically everything else. Because in the provinces, they lack electricity and they lack a lot of things. So everything feeds Manila. The only problem is Manila also looks like a decaying city because of all this chaos and disorganization. Now you might think I might be going all the way to the river. I won't. Pretty sure there won't be any bridge. And what if there aren't any boats? So I'll have to come back here. I'm just exploring this area. Second time. Explore this road again. I think this is the one. I think this is the one. I hope this is the one. I was disoriented. Anyway, we'll see if I'm lost. Maybe I am. Anyway, that's wow. Amazing place. Places are so interesting. It seems like it dates back to late 80s, early 90s. Wow. Amazing. Although I don't really see old houses that dates back to that time. They have big lands. Yeah, I think this is the place where they sell those nuts and coffee. Maybe. It's not the one beside it. Yeah, this is the one. Oh yeah, this is the one. Uncle George. I found it. And good looking house. Disiplina ang kailangan. That's Marcus. Large land. So amazing. Beauty. House for sale. Sure buyers only. And they're wider setting. 24 hours. That's a decent price. Try and slide here. Woohoo! That's cool. All those clicking and squeaking bicycles as they push their bike up Oh my. Damn. Oh man. That bike is about to give. Well, he'll have a better time when he comes home tonight. Check out the name of that store. Shopwork. Kiosk. Yeah. Castello Elementary School. Yep, name it after their relatives. Whoever Melencio Castello is. Yeah. Finally coming out. Seafood. Yeah. Rice is 55 a kilo. Oh, that's another carinderia. It looks clean. Interesting.
Kamu nilagay yung baka. Kamu nilagay. Nilagay ko po sa pagpan na malaki. Ito lumambot na. Ito lumambot na. Ito ang nagsusunod na ako. Pero hindi kaya ko isa.
A big collection building. Probably is. Yeah, it is. Explore, explore. The inner sanctums. Inner sanctums. This don't slip. We should make steps. Hello. Okay. Do everything. And up this way before looks a lot better. Oh man. Here we are. The wall of Batas. This is the viaduct. That one goes all the way to Commonwealth, I guess. See? I would like to follow that next time. where does it go through? I was thinking about the old and new generations. The older generations, probably to early 1960, were not really heavily vaccinated. People born after the 1960, after 1970, mid 60s onwards, were all fully vaccinated. Big difference. So the effects of those of the people born in that generation on the new generation can only be seen now. Last stairs to climb. Oh man. I'm screaming right now. Whew. I probably got a lot of lactic acid now. They're holding their aerobics inside the hole. No way I could see it. All I could hear is the music. Check out the traffic now. More active now. So far I'm lucky. I didn't need to open my umbrella. Unlike yesterday, I was really wet. Buy food. Steak to 1. Interesting names. And I think the other steakhouse where my daughter took me before was Steakout. Steakout. Dog is smelling shit. Oh. There we go. Here's Vinny. Have a new set of security again.